What is up, YouTube? This is Jason with Awesome RT, and today we are going to be doing another unboxing video. My wife also is super awesome and purchased my 6x9s. Only one set for right now, so I'm not going to do the doors just yet, and I don't know for sure if I'm going to do the doors. I might, but where those are mainly just for the bass notes, the stock speakers might be okay. We're putting these in the back with have more, highs and mids along with the bass note in the back. So, we'll see how it sounds. But I'll probably still replace them just so that it all matches because I have to satisfy my OCD. But today we're going to do an unboxing real quick before I have to go pick up my little girl in 10 minutes. So it's going to have to be quick. As always, be careful with your knives. Knife safety. Okay, so this time it did come packaged in an actual Amazon box, which is nice. And I'm really sort of digging the Amazon delivery because they have that. Some of you might have already had this many a times, but I've only had 2 packages come this way, where it actually says Amazon alerts you, hey, your stuff's almost there. It's only 9 stops away or something. And you can watch them on the map. That's nice. All right, so overall packaging, this paper is going to protect it a whole lot, guys. Whew, man. But it is a tight fit, so I'm sure Polk packaged their speakers well. So out with the Amazon box, all gone. Alright, so these are the Polk speakers that I purchased. See if you can get this the right way. Yes, so this is the DB Plus series 6x9s 3-way speakers. So DB692 is the ones I went with. And somewhere around here on this excessively messy desk, I have the adapters that I did not work for my tweeters, but after watching some other YouTube videos, FLA Hemi, he did one and install on tweeters, and he ran the same thing. He had those harnesses, and they don't work for the tweeters, but they do work for the doors and the rear deck. So, all right, so let's get into this box. I'll cut it open. I'm going to go ahead and slide it out carefully because I do not want to drop them. Okay, so whoa, careful, dropping stuff. Hang on. What I drop? And that's nothing. Just these gel stuff. Silica, throw away. Do not eat. Don't eat that stuff, guys. It's bad for you. So that's your usual hardware stuff in there. Got your instructions. Some nice little Polk. Ooh. Got some Polk stick-on things right here. I don't know if you got. Let's see. Yeah. So I wonder if I can just rip off the Alpine one on the thing and put my Polk one there. That'd be kind of sweet. Might do that. Polk does, when they send you stuff, you get a registration little thing too. This is the one for my tweeters, but go in and do that. You register your product, and then you get a chance to win $500 on Polk gear. I'm not sponsored by Polk. Should be. I sent them a message, so maybe they'll sponsor me and give me the rest of my sound system for free, but I doubt it. It's cool though. I'll still buy Polk stuff because it is fantastic. Alright, so once you get it out of that box, it's kind of in a taped, layered box, so you want to be very cautious when you're opening these. I'm in a stand. My desk is a stand-up desk, so I'm always real careful with how I open stuff because it could fall very easily. Alright, so once you open that top piece there, they're both laying in here. They give you some speaker wire, which is kind of nice. The other ones didn't come with any wiring. But so you got speaker wire, which I'm not going to use because I have the adapters that should fit this time. So we'll throw that there. And they actually give you some wire connectors that you crimp. God, what are these called? Oh well. Alright, so they're both speakers sitting here, very nice. Both of them come wrapped in this nice foamy protective stuff. That's my alarm saying, hey, you need to go get your kid. She'll be alright. She can stand out in the rain for a little while. to boot. I'm going to install these when I get back, and guess what? It's raining again. Super, right? Oh, yes. And there we have it. So this is with the grills on. Look at these pretty speakers. Very nice. Oh, yeah. DB Plus 3-way speaker. Nice cone, dual 2-way tweeter there. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Cannot wait to get these in the car. These are going to sound amazing. Yeah, so that's the first one there with it, with the grill on, which, I don't know, I feel like I was watching his 6x9 video, and he actually cut out the stock speaker cover, and then was just gonna have his grill sitting there, which kind of looked cool. So I haven't went through his videos to see the finished product. He needed longer bolts or something. So for now, I might just install them underneath, and then I might do the same thing. Yeah, because they kind of free up some sound blocking material. So. Alright, let's take a look. So the other one is the exact same thing. It better be the exact same thing or I'm going to be upset. Get off. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And that's it, guys. So it comes with two sets of protectors, I guess. It's got the one with the cool grill, and then it's got just a a standard one, which is they don't layer, do they? No, they don't layer. Yeah, so you just pick and choose. If you want it to just be this way, you can use this one. But in our application, you really wouldn't need it. I don't see how that would stay on there though, because that's just kind of sitting there. Maybe that is to raise that a bit now. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I guess that thing is actually meant to raise it up even more if you need to inset the speaker just a little bit, which that kind of looks cool too. I might actually go that route. Because if you see, if you line it up there, it actually insets the tweeter just a tad. Doesn't quite line up with the grill, which actually would kind of be beneficial. That way you don't accidentally hit that. But yeah, that's it, guys. I got to go get my kid, so I'm going to cut this one short. Overall, these look like, high quality, 6x9s. They are heavy, magnets nice and solid, tweeters nice and solid. The cone itself. These are marine certified, so they can get wet, sit in the sun, which is really kind of why I went with these. They were, marine certified, so it was a really easy choice because they're going to be sitting in the back window where, sun shines in all the time. So overall, I'm already excessively happy with these, and I'm sure they are going to look fantastic in the car and sound fantastic in the car because it's Polk. But let me get this out of the way so I can set this stuff down. But that is it for now. I'm going to go get my child. Once I get my kid, I'm going to see if she wants to help me record. If not, install video might be a little crappy again, but we'll see. But yeah, that's it. I'm going to get it installed, and hopefully that install will go smoother than the first time. And then after that, we'll get some sound clips and do some testing. But I know they're going to sound good. My tweeters sound great. I'm very happy with Polk. I love my Polk stuff. But you guys have a great day. Enjoy those Mopars. I'm going to go get my kid and install these bad boys in the rain again. Yeah. Super.